Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi.
Welcome friends. In this video, I'm going to explain about the Gauss divergence theorem and its examples on it. If V is the volume bounded by the surface S and F is the continuously differentiable vector function, then double integration over that surface S F dot n cap ds must be equal to volume integration, that is triple integration over that volume of divergence of F into dV, where this n cap is the positive unit vector outward drawn normal to surface S. This is a formula we have to remember here. Okay, then using this examples on this. Employ Gauss divergence theorem to evaluate double integration over a surface S F dot n cap ds, where F is equal to x square minus yz into bracket I plus y square minus zx into j plus z square minus xy into k, taken over the rectangular parallelepiped where that x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to b, and z varies from 0 to c. According to divergence theorem, we have by divergence theorem, double integration over a surface S F dot n cap ds is equal to triple integration over a volume V into divergence of F into dV. Okay, let me find out first divergence of F. Divergence of F is equal to del dot F. Okay, that del dot F is nothing but F is already with us, dou by dou x of coefficient of I, that is x square minus yz, plus dou by dou y of y square minus zx, plus dou by dou z of z square minus xy, which comes out to be 2x plus 2y plus 2z is my divergence of F. And here I can take 2 common, which is equal to 2 into bracket x plus y plus z. And for this volume, x and y and z are varying from 0 to a, 0 to b, 0 to c. Using that, this integration I can draw. Okay, here that triple integration is equal to, therefore double integration over a surface S F dot n cap ds is equal to, as x varies from x equal to 0 to a, y varies from 0 to b, and z varies from 0 to c, divergence of F, that is 2 times x plus y plus z into, I have to integrate first with respect to z, dz, dy, then with respect to dx. This integration I have to evaluate, triple integration I have to evaluate. Okay, I will solve here it one by one here. Okay, therefore double integration over S F dot n cap ds is equal to integration from x equal to 0 to a, integration from y equal to 0 to b. I am integrating with respect to z by taking 2 common outside. X integration will become xz plus y integration will become yz plus z integration will become z square divided by 2. Between the limits 0 to c, dy dx will remain. Then substituting upper limit minus lower limit here, 0 to x equal to 0 to a, y equal to 0 to b 2 into upper limit minus lower limit x c minus 0 plus y into c minus 0 plus c square by 2 minus 0 square divided by 2 into dy dx. Simplifying this, integration from x equal to 0 to a, y equal to 0 to b, 2 times here xc minus y plus yc plus c square divided by 2 into dy dx. Next I have to integrate with respect to y, which will become x equal to 0 to a, 2 outside as it is, and here integration with respect to y, x c into y plus c into y square divided by 2 plus c square divided by 2 into y between the limits 0 to b dx. Again upper limit minus lower limit will become x equal to 0 to a, 2 into upper limit minus lower limit, only upper limit x cb minus lower limit is 0 plus c into b square by 2 plus c square b divided by 2 into dx. This is the upper evaluation. Now I have to integrate finally with respect to x, which is equal to integration from, integration directly, 2 common outside, integration of x is x square divided by 2, cb is constant, plus cb square by 2 into x plus c square b divided by 2 into x between the limits 0 to a. Again upper limit minus lower limit, 2 into bracket, upper limit will become a square by 2 into cb plus a b square c divided by 2 plus here also a b c square divided by 2, taking 2 common, as well as a b c divided by 2 I will take common, then will remain with the a, here with b, here with the c, 2 cancels, which is equal to a b c into bracket a plus b plus c is the required answer. Integration from over a surface is f dot n cap ds. Okay, this is how to use the Gauss divergence theorem. Okay, another example I am going to solve here. Here Gauss divergence theorem is nothing but Gauss divergence theorem, integration over a double integration over a surface S, f dot n cap ds is equal to triple integration over a limit v, volume v, divergence of f into dv. Okay, then what about divergence of f? Let me first find the divergence of f here. Divergence of f is equal to del f, which is equal to dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Here f1 is this function, f2 is this function, and f3 is this function, which is equal to f1, dou f1 I have to integrate, differentiate partially with respect to x. Differentiation of this is 4x minus 0 minus partial derivative of minus 2xy with respect to y will become minus 2x plus dou f3 by dou z, partial derivative with respect to z will become 0, which is equal to 4x minus 2x will become 2x. Divergence of f is equal to 2x. This one I have to integrate over the volume. Okay, here this volume is closed by x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0, and this one. Okay, therefore z varies as z is equal to 0 to z equal to 0 to z is equal to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. This is first. Okay, and when z is equal to 0, and z is equal to 0 in this equation, this will become, when z equal to 0 implies 0 is equal to 4 minus 2x minus 2y, which implies 2 can take common, that is x plus y is equal to 2. Okay, therefore when z is equal to 0, y varies as y equal to 0. They are given y equal to 0 to this straight line to y equal to 2 minus x. Y varies like this, z varies like this, and what about the x then? When z is equal to 0 and y equal to 0, both z and y are 0, then what it implies here? X is equal to 2. Therefore x varies as x equal to 0 to x equal to 2 from the given set I can evaluate. Okay, by theoretical, this one diagrammatically I can explain, but it will take lengthy. Simple method. Therefore double integration over surface S f dot n cap ds is equal to integration from x equal to 0 to 2, y equal to 0 to 2 minus x, z is equal to 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y into divergence of f into dv. Divergence of f is equal to 2x. Therefore 2x into first dz dy and then dx. There, because I want to integrate first with respect to z, then with respect to y, then with respect to, therefore integration of 2x with respect to z will become 2xz. Integration from x equal to 0 to 2 and then y equal to 0 to 2 minus x, that is 2xz between the limits 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y into dy dx, because z I have integrated with respect to z. Upper limit minus lower limit will become x equal to 0 to 2, then y equal to 0 to 2 minus x, 2x into bracket 4 minus 2x minus 2y minus lower limit is 0, therefore into dx, sorry, dy dx. Multiply this 2 inside. I am going to get it as integration from x equal to 0 to 2, integration from y equal to 0 to 2 minus x, 8x minus 4x square minus 4xy into dy dx. This one I have to integrate first with respect to y, then with respect to x. Okay, integration of 8x will become, with respect to y will become 8xy minus integration of 4x square will become 4x square into y minus 4x into y integration will become y square divided by 2 between the limits 0 to 2 minus x into dx. This one I have to evaluate. Okay, therefore upper limit minus lower limit again here, which is equal to, here 2 ones are 2 2s I can cancel. Integration from x equal to 0 to 2, 8x into y is 2 minus x minus lower limit is 0 minus 4x square into y is again 2 minus x minus 2x into y square, that is 2 minus x the whole square, and lower limit everywhere y is there, it will come 0 into dx. Simplify this. Integration from x equal to 0 to 2, 8x into 2, 16x minus 8x square minus 4x square into 2 will become 8x square minus 8x square minus of minus plus, sorry, minus of minus plus 4x cube minus 2 into 2 4x minus of minus plus, sorry, this one I have to expand first, minus 2x into bracket, expansion will become 4, 2 square, a minus b the whole square, 2 square plus x square minus 4x into dx. This one I will simplify. Integration from x equal to 0 to 2, 16x square minus 8x square minus 8x square minus, sorry, 16x square plus 4x cube minus 2x into 2, 8x minus of minus plus minus 2x cube minus of minus plus 4, 8 into 8x square into dx. Therefore, integration from x equal to 0 to 2, 16x, only x containing terms first, or x cube containing terms, 4x cube minus 8x cube, sorry, 2x cube will become plus 2x cube, x square containing terms, minus 16x square plus 8x square will become minus 8x square. Okay, then x containing terms, 16x minus 8x will become plus 8x into dx. This is integrable, that is 2 into x raised to 4 divided by 4 minus 8 into x cube divided by 3 plus 8 into x square divided by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are, and this will become 2 ones are 2 fours are. Upper limit minus lower limit I will put x raised to 4, 2 raised to 4 divided by 2 minus 8 by 3, 8 by 3 into 2 cube plus 4 into 2 square minus lower limit will become 0, which is equal to 2 ones are 2, 3 will cancel, 8 minus 8 into 8, 64 divided by 3 plus, and here 2 square is 4, 4 into 4 is 16. Therefore, LCM I can take it as, okay, before that 16 plus 8 is 24 minus 64 divided by 3. Evaluating this, LCM is 3, 1 minute. Here 72 minus 64, which is equal to 8 divided by 3. This is the required answer. Therefore, integration, double integration over a surface S, f dot ds, n cap ds is equal to 8 divided by 3 over the limits x equal to 0 to all those things. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel